Welcome to Hamdard Medical. Today in this very lecture I am going to explain the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is designed to produce the male gametes and to convey these into the female genital tract. The male reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries, genital ducts, accessory sex glands and external genitalia. Now first of all I am going to draw some structures that are not concerned with the male reproductive system, but they are lying in the periphery of the male reproductive system. So the very first structure is the vertebral column. Then we have the rectum, which is the last part of the large intestine. After that we have the urinary bladder, that is storing the urine for a short period of time. And then we have the ducts that are emptying urine into the urinary bladder. These are called the ureter. And finally from the urinary bladder we have a tube that is extending all the way through the penis, and this very tube is called the urethra. Now inside the scrotum we have a pair of ovaries, as you can see, and these ducts are then arising from it and eventually they are joining the urethra. Now this black structure is we have the pubic symphysis. First of all I am going to explain the external genitalia. The external genitalia consist of penis and scrotum. Now let's talk about the penis first. So penis is an external projection of the male reproductive system. It is in the form of a tube. Now there are two main functions of the penis. Number first, it is conveying the urine, and number second, it is conveying the semen. The penis can be divided into three parts, that is we have the root, body and the glans. The root is connected to the pelvic valves. The body is also called the shaft, it is the middle elongated portion, and glans is the terminal expanded portion. Now let me just take the cross section of the penis, and now we are looking at the cross section, that what are the structures that we can actually find in the cross section. So the cross section of the penis shows that it consists of three groups of erectile tissues. The superior two are called the corpus cavernosum. Since these are two, so I have written the corpora cavernosa. And the inferior erectile tissue is called the corpus spongiosum. Now these are the three erectile tissues, and inside these erectile tissues we have spaces, and these spaces are filled with blood during the erection. There is one very important thing related to the penis. During the erection, the arterial blood increases and the venous outflow decreases, and hence due to this reason the penis get erects. Now let's talk about the next component of the external genitalia, that is we have the scrotum. So the scrotum is actually a pouch, and that is protecting the testes. The scrotum consists of a very special muscle that is called dartus. The dartus is a type of smooth muscle, and the wrinkles and the scrotum are basically formed by the contraction of this dartus. So this was all regarding the external genitalia. In the next video, inshallah, I will be explaining the rest of the structures of the male reproductive system.